Hey groomers, Tyler here, going to show you how to change your lever on your KM cordless. First thing you want to do is unscrew the 3 screws using a P1 screwdriver. It's the smaller Phillips head screwdrivers. And find all your screws and set them in a safe place so you don't lose them. There's that other one. Next thing we're going to do is remove the old blade drive, clean off the edges where the fur gets stuck in between the two upper and lower housings on both sides of this clipper. There we go, cleaning it up. Next, that is the drive lever that you need. There's the part number from Wall. We're going to open this up real fast. Bam. Take your synthetic grease you can get from Amazon. Put a little blob on each side of the lever and one in the middle where the post goes. It's the 3 points that makes contact. Super lube. There you go. Make sure the post is still strong. Clean everything off on the inside, all that old grease and fur, and just slide the new lever on right on the post there. I always push the bearing down. It slides on easier. I take my finger and wipe the extra little grease on the bearing. And then you want to make sure you don't get this red wire caught in the housing. You can break it very easily. So putting the baler back on, and we're going to push that red wire back into the case and give yourselves a thumb up that you didn't break your clipper. Now we're going to reinstall the 3 P1 screws. You need a Torx bit for the hinge. You don't have to take the hinge off, but if you do, you just put it right back on. Bam, that fast. And now we're all done. Congrats!